So I'd like everybody to hold up your fabric and let's see what you've got. Oh, well, we have some really good things. Now remember, 2 values of 1 color. So Beth, those are 2 completely different colors, but because you're in your studio, I bet you can run and find things, right?
I sure could. Sorry, I must not have gotten that memo. So yes, I'll fix that.
Isn't it cool? You can run off and get that.
What's great about a Zoom class is your whole stash is right there.
Friends, do you see what happens when backlighting is in play? If you look at Aunt Turley, she's got a window with bright light coming right behind her. So her camera on whatever device she's using is picking up that light, and we really can't see her fabric. So one solution, if there's no way that you can move the light, first of all, pull the blinds a little bit, but Anne, come here, come closer and closer, a little bit closer. Hold your fabric up higher a little bit. Now, do you see how when you block out the light behind you, the computer can pick up the colors of the fabric and we can see better? As teachers, thank you so much, Anne. As teachers, when we ask to see your fabric, we only get to see what the computer monitor will show us as opposed to our eyes coming through into your room. And lighting is so important. If you're completely lit from the back, and we know sometimes you don't have a choice, but if you're completely lit from the back, often we see nothing but a complete silhouette, black and white. That's all we can see. But if you hold your fabric up closer, if you can't change it, that helps. Now, Andi Stanfield is backlit, and I bet it's a lot different if her blinds are open or closed. Do you see what happens when she just closes the blinds so she doesn't have bright light? Now we can see the color of her fabric. Thank you so much, Anne. Now let's give you some ideas for how to light yourself easily. It can be as easy as a desk lamp in front of you where you're working. I think, Beth, you said that you had a desk lamp you could show us?
All right. So yeah, all I have is a plain desk lamp. It was $5 at my local grocery store. So simple.
So it doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be a big deal fancy thing, but get some lighting from your front onto your face, or especially onto your workspace if you are going to show what you're working on to the teacher. She wants to help you. He wants to show you what colors are going to work fabulously in your project. And so help your teacher by lighting things fantastically.
Everyone gets a front row seat on a Zoom class, so make sure you have your comfy chair ready.
This is your class and your fun. Let's do it together.
Nice.